Welcome. This presentation has been put together to try and assist students and parents when selecting subjects for Years 11 and 12. Statistics show that students who complete Year 12 have improved employment outcomes. The school's goal is to have students select subjects that will enable them to transition successfully from Year 12. Careers lessons have explored the development of a career pathway, and students have been asked to identify pathway options when leaving school. If university forms part of the student's pathway plan, then students should concentrate on selecting Category A for developed courses. Priority at all times when selecting subjects should be interested in the subject, enjoy studying the subject, and having ability at successfully studying the subject. Category A subjects are all academic in nature. Each culminates with a HSC examination, and each subject can contribute to an ATAR. The ATAR is a rank given to students based on how successfully they complete their HSC. ATAR only has one purpose, and that is to assist universities in determining if a student is able to study a particular course. There are multiple ways of gaining access to universities, and a lot of students do not use an ATAR to gain entry to university. Some subjects are more rigorous, so students do need to consider ability when selecting subjects. Priority should be given to interest and enjoyment. These two factors greatly influence engagement and therefore learning. Being successful in any 5 subjects listed here will improve chances of obtaining a higher ATAR. Simply selecting rigorous subjects and only performing fairly well will not enhance ATAR. The chances are that the student may well have received a higher ATAR if they had selected subjects that they liked studying. Category B subjects generally focus on giving students knowledge and skills that can be implemented in the workplace. However, 2 units of Category B subjects can contribute to an ATAR. So selecting a couple of these subjects can be great for students who are unsure if they want to attend university or employment. Students who have a desire to transition to work or TAFE would be well served by selecting Category B or board-endorsed subjects. These subjects are maybe more practical in nature or competency-based. Students may be exposed to potential employers when completing work placements. In the past, many students have found employment when participating in work placements. Once again, students should focus on picking subjects that are of interest, they have ability in, or they enjoy doing. Course considerations as set out by UAC. UAC administers the ATAR and most university admissions. Most important again is abilities, interests, and motivation. Career aspirations is linking subjects to a career. PDHPE studies the human anatomy, so a career pathway may be in the medical fields. Practical or major works. This is a consideration for students transitioning to university. The suggestion is that studying numerous subjects like this that contain major works can be detrimental to being highly successful at the HSC and therefore may limit ATAR. Again, this is for students who are going to university. Students who have abilities in particular skill sets or knowledge should be encouraged to select subjects which draw on these strengths: maths and engineering, or English and the humanities. Students should also be aware of priorities with regard to work commitments, sporting endeavours, or social activities. Maintaining balance is always encouraged, but if a student does have a particular focus, it may inhibit the learning, especially with regards to rigorous academic subjects. Students transitioning to university should access the UAC website to gather information and tips for selecting subjects. EVET are additional vocational courses offered to students enrolled at school, generally taught by TAFE at their locations. Students have to apply for these courses as part of the school subject selection process. Additional forms will need to be completed and submitted during the mentoring process. See the Careers Advisor for more information. Opportunities exist in most industries to combine training and studying for the HSC. Currently, Tomaree High School has students completing plumbing, nursing, warehousing and retail training programs. Again, see the Careers Advisor for more information. Information regarding the subject selection process and documentation is available from the Tomaree High website. For information regarding careers, please go to the Tomaree High Careers website. And for information involved with university selection or selection of courses, please see the UAC site. For information regarding courses, please go to the NESA site. Parents with questions regarding subjects offered and procedures have been provided with a questions form on the Tomaree High website under subject selection. Access to Careers Advisor is available at the following email: